How to connect Bose Bass Module 500 to Soundbar. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Bose Bass Module 500 to your Bose Soundbar. Whether you're starting up wirelessly or with a cable, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve that deep and immersive bass experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Power on devices. First, ensure both your Bose Soundbar and Bass Module 500 are plugged into the power outlets and turn it on. Wait for the status lights to indicate they're ready. Step 2. Wireless connection via Bose Music app. For the wireless setup, use the Bose Music app. Open the app and select your soundbar. Navigate to Settings, Accessory Speakers, and add Bose Bass Module. And then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Once connected, the Bass Module's LED will glow solid white. Wire the connection using a cable. If you prefer wire the connection, follow these steps. Use a 3.5mm audio cable. And then, connect one end to the bass port on the back of the soundbar. After that, connect the other end to the bass port on the bass module. The connection is immediate, no additional setup is required. Confirm connection. To verify the connection, play audio through your soundbar. You should hear enhanced bass from the bass module. If not, check the connections and ensure the devices are properly repaired. And that's it. You successfully connect your Bose Bass Module 500 to your Bose soundbar. Enjoy the rich, deep bass that brings your audio experience to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.